Why would an attorney write a book that teaches you how medical malpractice cases work here in the state of New York? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. I want to share with you some great information about a book that I wrote called Secrets of a New York Medical Malpractice Trial Attorney. Now, the reason I wrote this book is so that you could become better educated and learn more about how these types of cases work. So let me give you a brief idea of what you'll learn by reading this book. Well, first of all, you're going to learn 10 reasons why and how an attorney evaluates your possible case. You're going to learn why and how you might be able to get compensated without hiring a New York attorney. You're going to learn a medical malpractice victim's guide to compensation. You're going to learn 10 facts that a New York attorney is not going to tell you, and 10 reasons why you won't find a New York lawyer in the yellow pages. I'm going to share with you in the book 5 reasons why your malpractice case will not be accepted by a malpractice attorney, and much, much more. You know, there's over 240 pages of great educational content here, and the whole goal is to teach you and to educate you. If you'd like to get a copy of the book, you can go on to Amazon.com. The book is $16.95, but I have a better alternative for you. If you go onto my website and enter your name and email, you can get this book for free immediately. And by the way, if you want to learn more about how these types of cases work, I want to tell you that I also wrote 3 other books that help explain how these types of malpractice cases and accident cases and wrongful death cases work. I wrote a book called Beyond the ER Doors, Beyond the Emergency Room Doors. I wrote a book called Doctors Gone Wild, which is all about medical malpractice here in New York. I wrote a book involving wrongful death called In Case of Death. So again, why would I share this great information with you for free? Because my goal is to teach you and to educate you so that you can become a better informed consumer about what to do next. And as always, if you have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I answer legal questions like yours every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. Well, that's it for today's video. What I encourage you to do is go get a free copy of my book right now. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks so much for watching.